Here's a look at the 8 things you need to know today. It's something that affects 15 million Americans in any given year, but it is still often pushed to the sidelines. News 8's Madeline O'Neill is here to tell us how local groups are bringing depression to the forefront today.
Lisa, it's Mental Health Awareness Week, and communities around the nation are holding free depression screening days to give adults a chance to check in with their mental health. Gunderson Health System teamed up with the Doll Family YMCA to offer free screenings for adults this afternoon. This year, the theme of the day is an important one: suicide prevention. Filling out one simple page.
It's pretty brief, it's just a front and back.
Can be the first step in saving a life.
So many people are living with depression.
Some of the statistics surrounding depression and suicide are startling.
40,000 people kill themselves every year. Children aged 11 to 18. It's the second leading cause of death. And that 70% of people who do commit suicide have left a trail of clues that that's what they were about to do.
That's why officials say thoughts of mental health shouldn't just live in our heads, but should be talked about openly.
It's very, very common, and not everybody knows how to see the signs of it. And unfortunately, unlike some physical illnesses like the flu, there is still stigma that remains.
Free depression screenings at the Y invite people in to learn the warning signs.
A big red flag for depression is feelings of hopelessness, thoughts about dying. This is not a diagnosis. We're not doing therapy or anything like that.
It can assure people that either their symptoms are a normal part of just general life, or that their symptoms, because they've been living with them for so long, they think it's normal, but their symptoms really are at a significant clinical level.
After the screening, there are resources for visitors to figure out where to go next. This event and simple piece of paper is also one step in breaking the stigma surrounding mental health.
Somewhere along the line, we decided that mental health was this thing that was other. There is no health without good mental health.
Mental health is just as important as physical health. In fact, I would argue it's the same thing.
Now, also in celebration of Mental Illness Awareness Week, there's a showing of a documentary called No Kidding, Me Too, and that's about normal people dealing with depression. They're showing that tonight on the Gunderson campus at the Ice House at 6:30.
So what about those people that weren't able to make it to today's screening or didn't know about it and now are interested in maybe, finding out if they are one of these people that needs help?
Yeah, the Doll Family YMCA, their mental health director there. Her name is Sarah Johnson, and she urges anyone to just contact her, and she's happy to help people figure out where to go from there.
All right, thanks so much, Madeline.